Hello friends, welcome to App Spy. Here we review about the latest trending apps. Okay, today's app is CrickBuzz. You all would be knowing about the CrickBuzz. Yes, most of the people are fans of cricket, so I've found some of the pros and cons of this CrickBuzz apps. This is an alternative light app and this is the main app. Okay, first we'll see the main app, CrickBuzz. This is offered by crickbuzz.com, so let us search in Play Store of the most trending apps. Yes, CrickBuzz. Yes. Now let us see first of all. Yes, it is offered by crickbuzz.com and its version is 4.3.017. Next we see that what are its features: live scores and commentary, live cricket news, cricket videos, ranking, record statistics, etc. Okay, yes, see here, 50 million downloads, too much of downloads, 4.5 rating, superb. And yes, it's top 1 free sports app by Play Store. Let's open this app. Here, today is 6 April. I am shooting this video on 6 April, so here it is telling the live matches in home, all feature videos, top stories, etc. Yes, it contains too much of ads. That will be the comment section, so later. Matches. It says no live matches to show at this moment. The upcoming match is of this, the IPL Indian Premier League. Here, the Mumbai Indians versus Chennai Super Kings. Saturday, 7th April, yes. And the recent matches which have been finished, like this, the South Africa won by 492. Here, too much of ads and stuff. News, all latest news about the cricket. Categories, and you can go through topics. Videos, all latest videos, and in more you have schedules, browse, you can browse players, even like one of the India's famous batsmen, Virat Kohli. You all would be knowing about him, so you can know everything about him. Batting, matches, ODIs, bowling career, news, etc. It's all this. Can see rankings, test ranking, ODI ranking and T20 ranking of bowlers, all-rounders, etc. It's too many categories. And you can even set the reminder. Okay, now the upcoming matches of the Indian Premier League, so you can set the reminder here. You can set reminder of this series, this teams, or this match. Okay, whenever the match of this team will be there, you will be reminded. So let's set the reminder. Then it tells the score updates every 5 over, all events. You can set as it is. I'm not saving this. This is what about this CrickBuzz official app and its pros. Some of its cons are also there. Yes, the main con is it contains too much of ads. You are seeing this. It contains too much of ads. Then it is in app purchases. As we see in Google Play, we see here in app purchases 50 rupees to 150 rupees per item. And next is that no auto updates of score. You have to update score manually. It is the problem. No live streaming feature. Live streaming feature is also not there, the live streaming of cricket. And some of the commentary lags and notification problems. Sometimes the commentary and score lags and the notification problem is there. Sometimes the notification is late, sometimes early. That's the thing. Now the next type is the comparable app of the CrickBuzz in Indian languages, typically for India. It comes in also top 6 top free sports by Google. See it later. It has rated 4.4 and 5 million downloads. That's right. Okay, which languages it comes with? Hindi, Tamil, Kannada, Telugu, Marathi and Bengali. Later they will develop more languages, I think, but till now this much languages are there. Its version is 1.8 and same offered by Crickbus.com. Let's open this app and let's see what are the pros. I have set this app's language to English by default, but in settings you can set this language to Hindi, Telugu, Bengali, Marathi or whatever you want. Here is the feature of auto refresh. Okay, in home there is nothing, it's showing nothing. I've tried 2-3 times, nothing to show. You can see schedules, Ireland versus Pakistan, the matches, recent results, and so recent results and rankings also, and the points table. Here the match is not started, so everything is 0 here. Now we'll change the language, so we'll able to see. Okay, Hindi, it's the official language, so Hindi. We change, see the point table, schedules, recent results. Where are the recent results? Yes, here are the recent results, but there is a problem, some problems here. It don't give the full commentary. Now these are the cons. Okay, and errors in language. Some language like Tamil, there are errors. Now lags in updates. Okay, when you update the score there are lags. I saw this lag updates. And language quality, you know, there's sometimes the words are not standardized for some languages. Some typical words are there for that thing, but there is some problem about the language here. It says it moved up to #pi. In reviews I saw these issues with most of the people. Here you can see need to work on local language a lot. Here you can see the reviews. So it was my opinion, and it also contains ad. Again, it's a con, right? Because the ad is displayed half of the screen, so sometimes the score is also hidden behind it. This was all about today's review. Please suggest me some apps